Alright, I want to give you an update on my Swiss Colony toffee that I bought for Christmas this year for my relatives. And this is what it looks like. So this is the nice tin. We've already eaten a large chunk of it. This is what it looks like. Each little square, maybe an inch square, coated with a little bit of candy on it. Let me take a bite. Uh-oh. That's what it looks like on the inside. So this is it. And this is really good. So you get 3 pounds. You get 3 pounds in that tin. And this is really, really good, actually. Okay, I'll definitely get this one again. This is good. It's kind of expensive, but really it's worth it. 3 pounds. And I think I like it much better than the meat and cheese tray that I bought a year ago. So this is much better. And actually, this is some of the best toffee I've had. It's really good, high quality toffee. I love it. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thumbs up. Hit that notification bell.